I got this incomplete. This is antique fabric from about the same age, early 1900s, that I put on top because the top is just gone. This box itself is not original. This indicates that this was another early phonograph. Pulley's probably not original. I'm going to guess this was actually attached to a cart. And it was probably powered by the wheel of the cart. So as the cart, did its thing, it would play. And there's some pieces you'll recognize. Some of these are in German, but that's Silent Night, Holy Night. Sort of Bunker Hill. This does not sound like Marching Through Georgia, not the version I'm aware of. And Tipperary. However, I personally like this one best. So we're going to throw that on the machine, which is apparently backwards as well, because somebody modified this, and then I had to basically rebuild it because I got it in an auction lot. I need to file down that shaft. The center shaft does not really mount to the records very well. Not sure why it does that. I think I'm going to try to mount a finger just to press down here slightly. With a roller, of course. I haven't finished this thing. We'll do this one. I like this one as well. I mean, I like all of them, but some of these are especially good. Apparently they didn't like this one as much because it does not fit on the shaft. Right now we're already sitting crooked. Like I said, it needs a lot more work. Even the base on this box was not original. I put a base on it. I think I'm going to try raising that foot. I wonder if that... Yeah, I think I'm going to try raising it a little bit. Just a 1/16 of an inch. Newest patent dated 1905. Don't know who made it yet. I haven't really done much research. Basically all brass. Just overall a very nice piece. but they get superseded by these. And I know it's not the original case, but that is certainly a pretty machine.